Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana, and in this video we will be discussing about how to implement the artificial intelligence program using one of the program. Either you will be using the G Prolog or you will be using the C Lisp. So both the programs are very useful. So we will first tell you how to download and install. Let us go for downloading the program, say C Lisp, Prolog, G Prolog. So for that what we need to do, so we just go for GNU Prolog download. Okay, so when you go for this GNU download for Windows 10, just enter it there. So not necessary, it is GNU Prolog is enough. GNU Prolog download for Windows, it is there. So you can see the first site it is coming, the GNU Prolog. Once you click it here, GNU Prolog, then you can see the GNU Prolog website, and here we are having a number of options, and I specifically have gone for this Windows Intel 64-bit, and I am going for this Windows 10 Min GW64 GCC under this thing. Okay, you have option, you can go for the Microsoft VC++, or you can go for these things. There is no issue, you can go for anything. So once we download everything, it will appear like this. So it will appear like this, the setup program, and once you double click there, it will try install. Just only you have to say which folder or which directory you want to install. So I installed in the directory. So after installation, it is coming like this. Now once you double click, you can see the screen here. This is the GNU Prolog, the console program. Here you can write any program to run it. So for writing the program, we use the command, for example, write, and you put it here, and the end you put a dot period, that is the end of the line, and in between whatever you write, you put under the single quotation, and you write it here, hello, welcome to our first Prolog program. Okay, so like this, first Prolog program, program. Fine. So this is the program we have written. So we are running on the console. You see, I have not written any file for these things. So write hello, welcome to our first Prolog program. Just you enter it here. You can see the output is coming. Hello, welcome to our first Prolog program. So this is what exactly run on this console mode. Fine. So like that we can do. Now for the time being we stop it here. Then similarly for writing a program in any of the editor, we need an editor, one of the editor. For that we downloaded the VS Code. For this VS Code you come on here, and you just come out of all the things and type VS Code, right? Type it VS Code download for Windows. Just you click it here. So once you enter here, it is the first, you can see the first link, download Visual Studio Code. So VS Code you are doing the latest version, it is coming here also. I think it is you can select only the which operating system. We are using the Windows, so it is applicable both for Windows 10 and 11. Just double click here, so it will start downloading, and you after downloading you install it here. It is installed like this, it is coming. Okay, so once it is installed, just double click it here. You can see now you have the interface here with you. What I did it here, in the D drive I created a folder. In the D drive I created a folder. How to create a folder? Right click and create a folder. There you can go ahead for that one. And I created a folder named sample hyphen codes. This is the folder I created. Double click there. Then I created 3 files. How to create files here? So you can create file here, or you can create file there in the VS Code. Okay, so let us create it in the VS Code. Then what you have done, come to the VS Code here, then you go for the file, create a new file here, or control N, you can put it, new file will be created. So once a new file is created here, then you need to type all the things and save it as some .pl. PL stand for this. No, it is not the Perl program, it is the Prolog program, Prolog. Okay, so then what you did it here, my first program was there, main colon hyphen write this is sample prolog program, and write this program is written into the this is the demo 1.pl file. Okay, this is the program I have written. Clear? So now you write it and save it. Control S, it will be saved there. Once you write and save it here, then come out of all the things and again go to the prolog here. Now you see, where are you now? So you are there in the D drive. For that you need to change the directory file. Then you go to the change directory. In the change directory you need to go to the D drive, because you created all things in the D drive. The D drive you go for the here is the D drive. The D drive you go for the sample codes, just open it here. So once you are opening, then you are already there in the D sample codes folder, right? So if you choose the PWD, the present working directory, it will show you D sample codes, right? Because what you created now. Now we created something in the code 1. Sorry, that is the what is the name I have given there? I think some name I have given there. Yeah, check it here. I don't remember that file name. Here we have given demo 1. Okay, so we for compiling these things, just put it here and demo 1 and close it here and you put a dot here, right? Now this is one way. Just you put it here is compiling. Yes, everything is fine, compiled. Or you can put it consult in braces demo 1. That also it will run, give the same answer. There is no problem on that one. So once it is compiled, then we have written the main dot. So to run this program, just type main dot. Okay, then run this program. Yes, the same content what you have written. This is a sample prolog program, and this program is written into the demo1.pl file, right? So this I have done in demo 1. Similarly, I want to compile the demo, so you can do also the demo. For that compiling, what you do, I told you there are two ways. So in the square braces you can write the file name, or you can type consult. In this consult, what you need to do, what is the file name? My file name is suppose demo, and at the end you put a thing like this dot. Okay, enter. So also it is compiled. Clear? This is also compiled, right? Here also the same thing, you type main dot and see here. Yes, the output is also coming because same content I have written. There is no different content. This is a sample prolog program, and this program is written into demo1.pl, or you can change it here there because I copied and pasted the same content. Any other content you can type that content, it will be delivered here, right? So now suppose I want to go for this demo 3. So for that I have to compile that file first. Okay, so now you understand. Suppose I want to compile. So for that what I need to do, I suppose I follow the first one. It is demo 3 and put it here and dot, enter. So it also compiled. So some warning it is giving, but still it is compiling. Okay, so ignore this some warning they have given. Redefine the things. I am repeating the same thing again and again. So it has come, right? So for that, now let us learn what is there in this program. So in this program, if you see here in our 3, sorry, close it here. So here already we are having the thing. You go to the demo 3, demo 1, sorry, demo 2, demo 2. Yeah, demo, sorry, it is demo dot. So here we are writing some predicate calculus or predicate logic, whatever. See what I am telling. Hari is male. How to write in predicate calculus? So male Hari dot. So Liz is female Liz. It is just like general English. Then Phil is parent of Chas. Then where parent Phil Chas. Similarly, Liz is parent of Chas. So parent in braces Liz comma Chas. Then Chas is also parent of Hari. So parent. Similarly, Chas is also parent of Wills. So that means grandfather, father, son, or the daughter, all the things, granddaughter, all things are there. Now in this way we can write grandmother GMC. Okay, so we are writing I get it now. So similarly mother, grandmother P. So parent, all the things we can write it there, the knowledge base, and from this we can make some queries. With these queries we can get whatever the things we want to know using this artificial intelligence. So these things will take one more video, because without understanding the predicate calculus and the predicate logic and how it works, it will be difficult to explain you all these things. So for that we will go for a separate video. In that video we will be explaining the entire program and how it works and how to write the queries and how to get the output of that one. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share with your friends. If you have any comments or doubts, please feel free to communicate through these WhatsApp messages, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you once again for watching this video. Have a good day.